Hi, everybody. I'm recording this session, session 2A, a few weeks down the road from actually when session 2 happened. The reason for that is that for session 2, Kuna, who was recording, he sort of was a little bit late on pressing the record button, so we missed the first 2 pages. So when we are releasing the recordings, I want to make sure everyone gets exactly all the notes. So I'm just going to do a recording by myself over here to cover the first 2 pages of doctor's opinion. Going to go through it pretty quickly because you guys can rewind and stop and listen. At the top of the page, doctor's opinion, top margin, you can write a couple of lines if you wanted to, but please write step 1, dash, powerless over alcohol, dash, physical allergy, colon, doctor's opinion to top of page 23. So that's all we write. Highlight that all in yellow, please. Doctor's opinion. We of Alcoholics Anonymous believe that the reader will be interested in the medical estimate of the plan of recovery described in this book, ? Please put your whys next to the question mark there. Again, we turn some statements into question and ask yourself, is this me? Has that been me? Do I relate to this? Convincing testimony must surely come from medical men who have had experience with the sufferings of our members and have witnessed our return to health, ? Was it important to me that this testimony came from a medical doctor, from an authority, from a professional, rather than my butcher's opinion or my neighbor's opinion, right? ? Yes, somewhere there. A well-known doctor, chief physician at a nationally prominent hospital specializing in alcoholic and drug addiction, gave Alcoholics Anonymous this letter. To whom it may concern, to the right of the colon, please write your name. I wrote Ali. So I'm going to read this letter as if Dr. Silkworth literally is talking to me. I have specialized in the treatment of alcoholism for many years. In late 1934, I attended a patient, above patient, please write Bill W., who, though he had been a competent businessman of good earning capacity, was an alcoholic of the type I had come to regard as hopeless, ? So the question is, did I ever think I was hopeless when I was active, right? And why somewhere there? In the course of his third treatment, he acquired certain ideas concerning a possible means of recovery. As part of his rehabilitation, he commenced to present his conceptions to other alcoholics, impressing upon them that they must do likewise with still others. This has become the basis of a rapidly growing fellowship of these men and their families. This man and over 100 others appear to have recovered. Please circle the word recovered. We do recover, about half a dozen times, I think, in the first portion of this book, or a dozen times. All that means is that I'm going to be brought back to health. I recovered. I personally know scores of cases who were of the type with whom other methods had failed completely, ? Was that me? Did I try different variety of methods to stay sober, and did that fail for me? ? The yes there. These facts appear to be of extreme medical importance because of the extraordinary possibilities of rapid growth inherent in this group. They may mark a new epoch in the annals of alcoholism. Please circle the word epoch. Please put a line up to the top margin. Write era, which is defining like new era. Please circle the word annals. Put a line to the top margin. Please write historical records. The book goes on to say, the doctor goes on to say, these men may well have a remedy. Please circle the word remedy, put a line and an arrow to the left margin, write the word recipe. This remedy is a recipe, it's clear-cut directions. For thousands of such situations, highlight in yellow, please, you may rely absolutely on anything they say about themselves. Dr. Silkworth keeps putting his stamp of approval on this book. Yours very truly, William D. Silkworth, MD. The physician who, at our request, gave us this letter has been kind enough to enlarge upon his views in another statement which follows. In this statement, he confirms what we who have suffered alcoholic torture, ? After torture, do I relate to that? When I was active, do I relate to that? Put your why either close to the question mark or to the left margin. Must believe. Highlighting yellow now, important, that the body of the alcoholic is quite as abnormal as his mind. That's important. It did not satisfy us to be told that we could not control our drinking just because we were maladjusted to life, ? Did I believe that? Was I maladjusted to life? Is that why I thought I couldn't control my drinking? That we were full flight from reality or were outright mental defectives. These things were true to some extent, ? After extent. Was that true to some extent for me in my life? In fact, to a considerable extent with some of us. Yellow highlighter, please, important. but we were sure that our bodies were sickened as well. No more yellow. In our belief, any picture of the alcoholic which leaves out this physical factor is incomplete. The doctor's theory that, yellow highlighter now, from we have an allergy to alcohol interests us. Yellow, question mark after us, put a Y somewhere there. As layman, our opinion as to his soundness may of course mean little, but as ex-problem drinkers, we can say that his explanation made good sense. Highlighting yellow, the last sentence, it explains many things for which we cannot otherwise account. Question mark, put a yes if that's true for you. From the last yellow, please put a line and curve a line from the left margin and an arrow to the bottom margin. Bring it to the bottom margin or write this across the bottom margin. For example, all is well, comma, I begin to drink and only want a few, comma, then end up on a run/spree. Okay. I hope this helps. And then in the next recording, which where the actual session was, we pick up on the next paragraph. And just a point, I'm not sure if I made it, I can't remember in the second recording there, but we are very laser-like in what we highlight, what we turn statements into questions. Obviously, we could unpack a paragraph for many hours, but that's not the point of this. What we have highlighted is stuff to do with the physical allergy that the doctor's talking about, as well as highlights where the doctor puts his stamp of approval on our program. Have a beautiful day.